been a quick change of the cylinder head. I haven't fitted the decompressor yet, but it could actually have done with a slightly larger piston. I've got a 39.96, and I think it should have been a 39.99 because we had about 3 thou clearance, and we really wanted to get it down to about 1.5 at the tightest point. But it sounds sweet enough. I don't know what power there is, but just there we go, we've stopped. Timing probably needs to be set up, and it needs a good Italian tune-up, I think. I haven't got the sprocket on the other side yet. Still to pull it off the engine and sort a few things out. And don't have a tap. The tap was leaking, so that's an M12 by 1. So I'll have to get that on order. This isn't exactly health and safety. However, I'm a happy boy.